Hi folks, welcome back. Well, today's wee mission is to infill the little piece of wall that we removed in order to fit the toilet. So we're squaring it off. So I've got a piece of ply left over from a job that I was doing this week. So I don't know if any of you have ever used this PU wood adhesive. It's fantastic stuff. If you've never used it, try it, it's brilliant. Anyway, smear that down the edge of this. It's the piece of the existing wall that I manoeuvred to the 90 degrees. So just a smear of PU wood adhesive down there, and then there's a wee bit left in the tube, so I might as well actually put it on the connecting wall and just finish it off. I should really have went for another tube, but not to worry, it's all getting strengthened up anyway, so I'll just use what's left of the tube and that's it, it's done. So here we go, piece of ply cut to size, just squeezed in. Got me a bit of gentle persuasion with the boot. And a wee tap into place and square it up, and then we'll get the air nailer and just nail it in. Easier to fill. So yeah, a little 40mm straight nails in there, stapler, and brilliant. Just draws everything nice and neatly together. Just get Sandra just to take the bow out the wall. Wrong wall. Oh, here he comes. Here comes the gaffer. He's got to get in the action. So, just show the where to push. Just there seems to be like a little bow in the wall, so just bringing it out to meet so I can get it flush before I nail it. Sandra worried that I'm going to stick a nail through her hand. Would I do that? Anyway, let's get this nailed up. You have to follow me up. And that's it. Great tools. They are really, really good. These air nailers. Now that it's in position, I'll just dead nail it all the way down. So just put a nail every sort of 3 or 4 inches all the way down, and just literally they're only there until the wood adhesive goes off, because this wood adhesive is as I say, it's fantastic stuff. Anyway, that's that wee mission done. So take you inside to the shower room now. Just get a bit of tissue to wipe off the excess adhesive. As I said, it's all getting painted, so it's all going that clotted cream colour. So here we are inside now. As you can see, it's squared off now to the full 90, so that the toilet can get fitted. So these were the little support braces I put. And you see that's that PU wood adhesive that's between the joint and the wall. And basically, not only does it glue, it expands as well and fills any voids. So if you have any little sort of a discrepancies in the wood, it will actually fill them. It will actually expand out and fill them. As I say, really good stuff. Being a plumber, I'd never used it before. It was a joiner that I was working with a couple of months back. He was using it, was like, whoa, what's that? You see, it's the best thing you'll ever use. You'll never use anything else again. Anyway, so got that out the road and started panelling the ceiling. Obviously the rest of the van's getting done in sort of a pine cladding, but because in the shower room, obviously the moisture, I wanted plastic, so I've just went for a cheap sparkly white on the ceiling and on the back wall, because the back wall's not going to be seen anyway, because obviously it's going to have the toilet, the wash hand basin and the little medicine cabinet above. So this was only really to waterproof the wall. So let's say, so we'll get that up, just tease it in, and it's just the last wee bit around the skylight. To be fair, it doesn't actually need it because the trim of the skylight's quite big, but I'll just cut a wee piece in there and that's it, finishes it off. So anyway, there we go. Last little bit. There you go. So I say, need to let all that set up before I start messing about with it. So I'll try and get the outside wall panelled now and see how we get on. So as you can see, it's panelled up, it's all wedged and stickied, and so again can't really do much more, so basically left it overnight, and here we are in the morning. Wedge is all gone, panels out, ready for trimming. Put the skylight up, all trimmed up. That looks better now. So make a start on the other two walls now. As you can see, that's just the back wall. As I say, just cheap, nasty, sparkly white, not going to be seen. Literally waterproof the wall. So had a wee productive afternoon. So just this last one to do, which is really fiddly. Then I had to break away and go and pick the missus up. Sandra goes to her mum's on a Sunday, so leaves me on my own. So anyway, we're back in. It's all finished, just to be trimmed. So I still got a brace and that on, so I couldn't trim it up until we get the last of these braces out. So yeah, I'm really pleased. It's coming together well. So next weekend, hopefully get the basin and that fitted, and the medicine cabinet, and get all the trims in. And if I can do that, I'll be happy. Also got a new solar panel coming, so I'll get that sorted next weekend as well. So yeah, onwards and upwards. And say, looks well, that wee skylight, and it operates well as well. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's about it for this week. So anyway, if you liked the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you all later. Ta-da.